Hello guys, you are watching my channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A52 call problem or incoming calls not showing on display problem in Samsung Galaxy A52. So before starting video, if you are first in my channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing incoming call not showing on display problem in Samsung Galaxy A52 or any other call related problem in Samsung Galaxy A42, so to fix this issue, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every step as I'm showing you in this video.